वीडियो में बताऊंगा इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर क्लास ट्वेल्थ इंग्लिश का रेनबो पार्ट 2 का चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट है। इसका नाम है इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर। इस पर समरी क्या होता है, समरी आज लिखेंगे, बताएंगे समरी मतलब संस्कृत सारांश क्या है। तो इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर, भारतीय सभ्यता संस्कृति क्या है। भारतीय सभ्यता संस्कृति तो लिखा गया है यह बाय महात्मा गांधी जी के द्वारा। महात्मा गांधी जी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 ईस्वी को हुआ था। मृत्यु हो गया उनका 30 जनवरी 1948 ईस्वी को। तो सारांश लिखते हैं समरी। तो इस पर सारांश हो जाएगा, द present prose pieces Indian civilization and culture has been written by Mahatma Gandhi, who was a great freedom fighter and man of letters. He said that the ancient civilization of Greek, Rome, Egypt, and China are gone, but the basis of Indian civilization is still sound and sure, and it's her glory. It cannot be beaten in the world. The world is fast changing, but India remains culturally unchanged, so we should cling to our own civilization. Indian civilization is totally based on morality, but Western civilization or people's immorality. Western civilization is based on the worship of material, but our civilization teaches us how to control and regulate our desires. According to Gandhiji, in my mind is restless bird because the more get the more wants, and finally it remains unsatisfied. Our ancestors did not want to live in cities because they thought that large cities are full of corporation, gangs of robbers, and proposition. So people cannot be happy there. There are no pieces and rails. Happiness there. Happiness there. Happiness there. Western people believe in comfort and luxuries, but the Indian believe in God, soul, religion, purity, restraints, plain living, and high thinking. Gandhiji says that physically comfort is also necessary, but it should be in limit. If it is not restarted, will become hindrance instead of help. Finally, this is an some work of Gandhiji where has beautifully explained the merits of two civilization and advice and Indian to adopt our own civilization.